be ashamed of yourself. Got that big old bitch laying around like a beach whale. Nigga, it's daytime. That fat hoe need to be somewhere working. That let me know you got a big fat Section 8 bitch, nigga. Bitch ain't gonna leave alone. Fat hoe like that with them Section 8 chicks die or some kind of motherfucking heart disease or high blood pressure shit. Or the bitch gonna have to have one of them old women surgery. What's that shit called? Yeah, that's one of them hysterectomy having hoes in her 30s. Boy, put that bitch to work. That nigga got a big old fat bitch laying around like one of them beach whales done washed up on the beach. Push the bitch back in the water. Nigga, that bitch don't belong. Nigga, you ain't in there fucking and got her pregnant. Big fat motherfucker like that supposed to be pregnant somewhere. Nigga done cooked 7 meals for the day. Nigga, you put that nigga chin supposed to be hanging up under the neck of that big bitch feeding him and stuffing him with that fat girl wet pussy and them good goddamn good seasoned neck bone. Nigga, please, you got a big fat bitch going away. Man, I'm telling you, listen, my Uncle Wayne will jump on her. Uncle Wayne to come home, catch a bitch like that laying around and kick her all in her goddamn ass till she jump up in the kitchen and go to making them pots. Clean and clean. That nigga got a big old fat bitch just laying around. And I bet that big bitch mean in a motherfucker till you and the kids, nigga. Yeah, I bet she too tall, nigga. Fuck you. Nigga. This nigga got a big old fat hoe just going to waste. They're like them niggas standing in front of them stove with muscle, asking for some change. Nigga, go fix something with your muscles. Nigga, go get a moving job. Them motherfucking right now need they washing dry moved up some stairs. Nigga, get to work. Fuck around, you standing around here asking for a nigga got some change or something. Nigga, that nigga got a big old fat hoe. Nigga, please, have that hoe get up and cook right now. Sitting around, laying around, getting fatter. Right now, son, bitch lost weight laying around. I ain't never been healthy. And the damn show me ain't been healthy for a fat motherfucker. Yeah, man, I don't know what's wrong with that nigga, man. I don't want that nigga in my face. Nigga, I fuck with niggas that'll kick a bitch square right off of her ass till she get up and do something. Bitch, you ain't finna sit around and look at me. We finna start fucking and fighting. That's gonna be our greatest habit. Fight.
Hey, bro, let's spar, bro.
Do what?
Let's spar, bro. Let's box. I'm getting tired of you, bro.
Nigga, you can't even pay rent. Get your motherfucking ass out. This motherfucker can't even pay nobody rent. Nobody tired of something. Nigga, how you tired of something and you ain't open up a bill? This son bitch ain't open up now bill this year and contribute to now household utility. Talking about, nigga, you get your motherfucking ass out of here, little boy. Damn, man, I'm tired. Nigga, please, you just got out of school. Shut up, bitch. Little motherfucker. Hey, man, what's wrong with these kids? I'm tired. Bitch, cut the grass. And get tired of her.
Praise the Charleston wife for letting them add me back on his live. But yeah, my girl weigh about 200. But I promise you. How much you weigh?
Man, jump on that nigga. Yeah, jump on that nigga trying to shame you like that, baby. Because, man, jump on that nigga. He's sitting around in the daytime, too. He ain't no better than you. He ain't no better than you. Nigga ain't fighting. Nigga ain't quitting time nowhere on nobody's job. This nigga in here giving out his woman's weight. And, nigga, all the government shit is in her name. He can't get no assistance nowhere in life. Can't call his mama to come get him. Do nothing, nigga. Leave her alone. Yeah, nigga, leave her alone. You can't even encourage her to get up out of bed, nigga. Sorry ass nigga. All praises be to Charleston. Baby, call me, inbox me. When that nigga make you mad, yeah, soon as for your first day him getting out, I'm gonna contribute to a bill. And I put that on my kids. I don't even know who you is. Just inbox me next time that long head ass nigga make you mad and say I'm the big woman that was laying in the bed with that side ass motherfucking nigga who you got on his ass. Like this dude, Charlie. Help me out. I won't send it right to you, baby. I'm not bullshitting. Let that nigga know what I done and call and tell him, yeah, side rat nigga Charleston stood on his motherfucking word and sent me that light bill money you ain't been able to pay, side rat motherfucker. And I'm gonna give him some pussy when his comedy show come through the town. Let him know that next time he make you mad. Let his motherfucking ass know next time he make you mad, you got a skinny nigga that's gonna pounce your motherfucking ass off the wall. I'm gonna wrestle like him, and I ain't no motherfucking wrestler. I've been training for boxing, but I'm gonna wrestle your big ass just to make him mad. And I don't think you that big, baby. Yeah, I don't think you that big. Yeah, he trying to make you bigger than what you are. That's his way of trying to put you down and try to mentally control you. Don't pay him no mind. Yeah, you can get that off of you in no time. All you gotta do is just get away from him. That's that depressed weight. That's that depressed, tired of carrying the load weight. I understand, baby. Yeah, all you got to do is get rid of him and watch how fine you get. And I'm talking about quickly. You don't love her, nigga. Yeah, you love the internet. Show us again. Show us your woman again. Baby, come here, baby. Let that nigga put you for the camera again. Yeah, nigga showing nigga. It's a whole bunch of niggas like big girl. I ain't one of them, but it's a bunch of niggas that do. Especially if she got a bed for them niggas. And somewhat of a little bit grosser than an ice bar. Man, them niggas have compromised everything they like in a woman to get somewhere comfortable to sleep consistently and for a long term. These niggas these niggas ain't looking for one night stand. These niggas looking for a one night stand that can immediately spontaneously turn into a long-term relationship from that one night. Yeah, they don't be wanting to leave the next motherfucking day and have to go back to where they were. Uncomfortable where they at. Get on, come on back, nigga. Yeah. These niggas goddamn me. His woman say, don't join that motherfucker now another time, nigga. His woman tell you, yeah, he had to decline. His woman told that nigga, don't join that motherfucker now another time, nigga. Shit. Well, baby, nigga, this my house. I pay bills over here. Do it again. All right, baby, all right. Hey, shit, I'm all right. Yeah, why you turn it down, nigga? You were just think. Well, baby, nigga, this my house. I pay bills over here. Do it again. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's not good. Yo, what's good, C-Ward? What's up, mulatto kid? What's good, dog, man? Just here, man. All right. Shit, man. What's good? Oh, nothing. Just chilling. What you smoking on? Nothing. I seen that smoke, boy. Don't lie to me. Oh, nothing. You hotboxing the car with cigs? Don't let me find out. Yeah, I smoke. Boy, got the windows up. I smoke black and mild. With the windows up. I see the windows up. What do you not say? Yeah, I see the windows up. That's what hotboxing with a black. You don't have nappy, so you couldn't understand how I think. Your hair too clean and curly. Hey, let me get you some gas, bro. For real, I know you ain't hotboxing with a mild. Man, you can't give me nothing, nigga. I don't want nothing from you. What? I know you do. You smoking with a mild right now. Man, but that's with the windows up. I don't like what you like, nigga. I like what I like. Why you want me to like what you like? Because I'm trying to take care of your lungs. I don't want to take care of my lungs, nigga. I want to do what I'm doing, nigga. Your lungs right now, nigga. Fuck you right now. You know, mixed breed ass. You got stage 4 right now. Yeah, I hate yellow kids. Yeah, I hate them old mixed breed ass yellow kids want to fit in, nigga. I bet you can't go over to your nigga side of the family and laugh this long. Somebody gonna do something wrong to you because they don't like you because you too yellow around them. Man, yellow people need to know how to act amongst people that ain't mixed breed. Nigga, you niggas don't fit in with us. Fucking wrong with you, yellow kid. Fuck what's wrong with Obama, nigga. That's why he had to, yeah, nigga. Yellow kids belong with yellow kids. Yeah, trying to tell me what I need. Little old yellow ass boy. I know what your mama need. Your mama like black dick. I'm what your mama need, boy. So, see what? The yellow motherfucker. I'm sorry about motherfucker. Man, I'm tired of you Obama. Nigga. Y'all mama like me. Nigga, shit, nigga, I'm the nigga. I'm one of the first niggas start making y'all mama like black dick, nigga, early in the 90s. Early in the motherfucking 90s, I'm one of the first niggas start crossing over the railroad track, fucking white girls and Mexican girls with that grown man nigga dick in elementary. Wasn't nobody fucking like y'all mama. Them black girl wasn't fucking like y'all mama's mixed kid. Y'all mama was a little bit more freakier than the black girls in the project that could run fast and were really trying to get their education to get out. Y'all mama and them were tiptoeing over here, motherfucker listening to that goddamn rap music, watching that Yo MTV rap shit. Shit, next thing you know, look at y'all motherfucking ass got here early. Some of y'all mama were teenage mamas too, wasn't you? Wasn't you mixed babies? I already know. And you can't go over to your grandmama house and open the icebox. Yeah, most you mixed breed motherfucker can't go over to your grandmama house, your nigga side of your grandmama house. They don't invite you to them poor nigga cousins' birthday parties down off in the ghetto. Yeah, I'm sick of you mixed breed motherfucker. Nigga, y'all got y'all own race called mulatto folk. Get together. Y'all work good together. I promise y'all do. Yeah, you mulatto motherfuckers work good together better than the nigga folk.
Man, what you doing, Charles?
Man, boy, go do it outside and play.
Man, I don't play, nigga.
That's how you, nigga. That's how you get rid of your asthma. All you motherfucking little motherfuckers born with that upper respiratory infection, a nose was snotty, you nigga can't play outside. They say 75% of you young motherfuckers can't even pass the physical test to get in the military. Man, get y'all motherfucking ass outside and play. Nigga, go drink out of a water hose or something, no weak motherfuckers. Yeah, these motherfuckers weak in a bit round these motherfuckers part. That's the mixed kid with this shit that wasn't raised with their nigga daddy. Wasn't raised with their nigga daddy. Didn't get to play rough and fight with their nigga rough cousins that'll steal their birthday money from them.
You ain't on her. You know it.
Come on now. I ain't see no rolls on you.
Where is he talking?
Hey, baby, tell the nigga don't do you like this.
Now, what he
Why that nigga ain't at work?
He stopped.
Yeah, why that nigga ain't at work? He cut them, he left. He hurry up and left. And shit, why this nigga ain't at work? Trying to show off your role and how you is. That's how a nigga jump in your inbox. Yeah, nigga that can fly somewhere. You go get your bitch flown out. You go get your bitch flown out, nigga. Yeah, nigga, that's why I can come back to the internet and say, y'all remember that nigga talk about his woman roll? Boy, them roll show was soft as I was passing on her motherfucking ass. Boy, I appreciate you for that alley hoop, my nigga. Yeah, don't do that girl like that, my nigga. Yeah, nigga, you'll get her flew out to the motherfucking world, and she gonna come back and tell you about it the motherfucking trip. I wanna make sure she gets you something. Yeah, what size shoe you wear, nigga? I get you some of them motherfucking me Gucci shoes, them poor ass niggas like spending all their money on. I get you the real pair too. Fuck is you talking about? And get her a pair to match. Y'all have the matching Gucci slipper on behalf of me. Boy, wouldn't that be some shit? So nigga, stop doing that woman like that. Cause nigga, I can be a low down, dirty, rotten motherfucker when I need to be. And that right now, it seems like I need to be. It's like a nigga got a pretty large size woman over there that he don't appreciate. He's depreciating. Yeah. He misusing her because he don't know how to use it. Yeah, nigga. What's wrong with these niggas, Kimbo? Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with these niggas. Nigga, Uncle Wayne told me it's two things you don't do, nigga. You don't lend no nigga your car, and you don't lend no nigga your woman, or your sister, or your mama. I said, why, Unc? He said, because a nigga throw a rod, and I hold a motherfucker. Nigga, yeah, he'll throw a nigga, you loan him your car, he gonna throw a rod, and that motherfucker the engine might break out. You let him sleep at your sister's house, he gonna try to throw a rod in her too. Yeah, and you let him look at your woman, he gonna try to, yeah, you better not let him. Yeah, nigga gonna throw a rod in him. Yeah, man, this nigga goddamn me. Yeah, Uncle Wayne was a rotten motherfucker. He the only way home. Uncle Wayne be home except him. I'm gonna put his ass on his motherfucker. Say, Uncle, people been waiting on your motherfucker ass. I ain't bullshit. I'm gonna throw his old ass. He trapped in the 70s. Uncle can't get out the 80s.
This time you don't touch the phone, baby.
Well, bring it up. Don't.
I'm saying, how you want to be presented? You gotta Come over here, come on. I got it on the chart.
You know what? You gonna type that nigga thing he can tell. I'm listening to him. He one nigga that done been to prison. Think he can move. So put her back on here, then nigga. Don't let him touch the phone.
What do you say?
Baby, where you want to go in life? What's your favorite city you want to visit? Country, where you want to?
He stole my $500. Can you send it to me?
He stole your $500.
Mm-hmm.
I need a police report for me to send you.
I ain't police.
Well, shit. Don't be begging for no $500.
Shit, you just said I'm big and you
is big.
What's up?
Don't get your face at all big girls put their face in the camera. I bet you won't get your face at the camera. You know how I know you big? You know how I know you big? Cause big girl won't show nothing from that neck down. They always got that pretty face from that face up.
I just got the tub. I ain't got no clothes on.
Man, put some clothes on. That nigga want to put you on her. I didn't.
I ain't gonna do all that. You want? Hold on. Let me put some on. Hold on. Let me put some on.
I can tell how chubby your jaws is and how wide them shoulders is. That you got a wide body.
This ain't my life. This you and her talking.
Nigga, you know that girl wide. Nigga, I ain't saying she ain't curvaceous, but she's gonna be a big curvaceous. She ain't a big
pretty woman. She not big. I done seen some fat women out here.
She ain't pretty, nigga. Damn, she's a big one. She ain't got that flat stomach. You can't plank on her. You can't plank on her. You can't.
She said she showed don't.
You got the seesaw. You got the seesaw that pussy. You can't plank.
She said, tell Mr. White.
You can't belly to belly, thigh to thigh, knee to knee that pussy. You got the seesaw that pussy.
Hurry up, put your clothes on.
You remember when everybody run around planking? Everybody laying on their stomach with their arms stuck out, their legs stuck out. They fuck like that. You got to find a position to get up in there, nigga. I already
know. What I'm supposed to do, and I just got the tub.
Baby, listen, baby, this ain't. I'm not putting you down, baby.
They said they want me to pick you up, baby.
He can't plank.
They said they want me. They said they want me to pick her up.
I like to plank. I don't like the seesaw. Well, I got to. Yeah, no, nigga, it's all right. I don't. I had a big one before, nigga, where you got to get up under there.
How old was you? I'm 23.
I wasn't no motherfucking 23 fucking nigga. I was planking at 23. Why bullshit, nigga? I was belly to belly, thigh to thigh, knee to knee fucking at 23. Yeah, I was planking like a motherfucker. Yeah, I wasn't healed fucking. Not at 23. Get out of there.
If I pick up 5 times. If I pick up 5 times in the room, she got some clothes on.
Listen, she gonna drain all that young dick. You there for you. She taking that young dick from you. You gonna get big soon. You gonna be looking like, what's the nigga that mumble on King on the Hill? Goddamn, what's that mumbling mother? You gonna have a belly like them. Boom, Howard. Get out of there, young nigga. Yeah, nah, he talking about nothing. Yeah, nigga, get out of there, young nigga. He gonna have it. Yeah, no, man, I'm telling you, she gonna fuck that little boy to death. That nigga, he asking for help. He need to be rescued. Just keep watching me, young fella. I got you. I don't know how we gonna make an exit plan, but I got you. I recognize my kind when I see one. Yeah, you part of that good dick's benefit clique. Then got you one of them big girls over there with that good young nigga dick, and they got it. I got you, young nigga. I got you, young nigga. You just keep watching me. You just keep them motherfucking seasoned pork chop with that soft white bread and the motherfucking.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Bread be soft too, and you can eat all the bread with the pork chop sandwich. Nigga, with your motherfucking Doritos. Young nigga, I know what you're going through. I know what you're going through, young nigga. It ain't as bad as this. It's like, yeah. Oh, boy, get back on it. Where you go? Where you at, my nigga? Goddamn, young nigga. He being taken advantage of. I see you. Yeah, he's being taken advantage of. And you shouldn't have went to prison so early. You look like you probably played basketball in high school. This what happened when you get out of prison. You probably went to prison at 19, did 2-3 years, and just now coming home. I already know. Yeah, I went over there and fucked one of your big sister friends, and now you locked in, can't get out that motherfucker. Where you go? Nigga, I ain't thinking about that nigga haircut. Nigga, I'm trying to coach the young nigga. Me and coach the young nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Don't put it on me.
I'm gonna let her grab the phone.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna let her grab the phone. She wanna talk to you before you get off.
Now what you said?
Nothing.
Now what you
said?
Oh,
nothing. I was trying to fly you to me.
And this natural, no makeup, no hair. This natural, baby. Ooh. So what was saying?
Nothing. I'm sorry.
So what was saying? A big word.
I'm sorry. I was wrong. I was wrong. I'm wrong.
Where? Oh, okay.
I'm wrong, baby.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry. Shit, I apologize. I swear I do. Yeah.
You can read that later.
Hey,
this natural skin, no makeup, no lashes. So what?
Talk your shit, nigga, for real.
Hey, how much old are you?
Flat word. Ass flat word. This ain't no.
No, that ain't.
Ass flat word. Flat word. Somebody said in the comments. I'm trying to see ass flat word. No BBL. Word.
Hey, listen, I'm you, baby.
Oh, okay.
How old are you?
32.
And he 23.
That nigga not gonna forget that shit. He not gonna forget that shit. That nigga said you don't got pussy by the years. They went to jail about 19.
China Black. Am y'all
If you wanna go to her Facebook.
Yeah, she put
China Black.
After she put that grown woman pussy on that young tender dick.
And I swear to God,
please.
I think older pussy better than young pussy.
You a lying motherfucker, boy. You don't know what you talking about, young nigga. You ain't been on. You just come out some pussy to even have an assessment on pussy, boy. You don't know nothing about what pussy is at 23 years old, son. Just cause you fucking a 10 years your senior, boy. You don't know nothing about nothing.
You done put your time in, so you can tell
wait till your dick get a little years on it, boy. You gonna realize that young pussy way better than that old pussy.
That's a lie.
She must got some shit on her shit. That's something.
Please. Boy, that young pussy, it got no whole ball. That old pussy got all kind of rules on it. All kind of.
Hey, you ain't lying.
What I say? I ain't lying.
You ain't lying.
That young pussy is no whole ball. That old pussy got all kind of do's and don'ts.
You gotta cook for that pussy. You gotta go have some bills. Come on, man.
Nigga, young hoe, you ain't gotta do nothing but keep that good weed, nigga, and some meals. Don't take them somewhere they ain't never been before.
I ain't old, Webster. I ain't old.
Oh, you old in fucking Europe. Yeah, you old in fucking Europe. Yeah, all them do's and don'ts and ain'ts and can'ts. No. Boy, when you get a little older, you gonna realize that no whole ball pussy is way more funner.
But the young hoe really stupid. Like, I ain't gonna say they stupid. They ain't experienced.
No, that's what you want. A stupid motherfucker. You don't want no motherfucker that know when you're lying. You don't want to fuck with no woman that know when you're lying. Nigga, you can't teach her nothing. She trying to teach you about how to be the man. Because she done fuck with all kind of people. Man, you got to go get a young dumb motherfucker that believe anything.
You don't put your...
Nah, you don't get with no woman that already know. Nigga, you behind that ball now. You can't tell now that can make her believe it.
I bet you if I told her I don't love her, she gonna believe that lie. She said she weighed 185, so that ain't big. Shit, you hear how much you weigh?
I'm 125. She way bigger than me.
I'm sure, man. I'll sit on your ass.
Here she go with her. You know I weigh about.
Baby, Norbert didn't have a baby.
I know how to make her get up though. Yeah, I know how to make a motherfucker get up sitting on me. That motherfucking reach truck. And I see she like skinny niggas too. These some bad motherfuckers. They just melted. They got caramel, salt, they got them. Boy, them motherfuckers look good. Boy, some bad motherfuckers. Just you. Charleston white band from San Antonio. I just left San Antonio doing an interview with Witty Apparatus. They said I was banned in. They done put another band on me. I done already broke the band. Who go to San Antonio, Kimbo? Shit. I don't. Niggas don't go to San Antonio. Not the niggas I know. Business. We done done that for business. No. Speak and shit. We don't speak Spanish. There's no need to go to San Antonio, home. Stop right quick. We don't speak Spanish, amigo. Just go there. They don't have no after-hour spots, home. They don't have no black strip club, home. So yeah, man, nobody goes to San Antonio, amigo. There's not enough blacks, Pato. You know, there's not enough stuff for the niggas to do, my friend. So nobody goes to the niggas, you know, the mayate. Fuck is a nigga to do in San Antonio, you know, man. At the river walk. I don't eat tamales, you know. No, my friend, I don't eat tamales. No tortillas, you know. You don't mean it.